How to recover Gmail account. So if you want to recover your Gmail account, then first of all open up your Gmail account or your Gmail app on your laptop or PC, or you can also go with your browser. I'm here with Google Chrome browser. And after opening your mail, if you have a saved account, then you can simply click on your saved account and then you can log into your mail. But if you want to add another account, then click on use another account. Or if you want to remove an account, then you can click on remove an account. So for now I'll be choosing this my mail. So now you have to first enter your email address and then you have to enter your password. But if you forgot your password and if you want to reset your Gmail account, then click on forgot password and then you will get these bunch of options. You can simply tap S on your phone or tablet, or you will get a verification code at your mail, or you will get a verification code at your number which you used to create your account. I'll be choosing first method, but if you have your mail logged into your mobile, then you can use this one also. You'll get the verification code and you have to enter that code here to log in, or you can also choose the first one. So you will simply get a notification to tap S on your phone or laptop, and after tapping that S, you will be logged into your account. Or you can also choose the third and fourth option, which is your phone number. You will get a code to your phone number and you have to enter that code here to log in or to sign in. So I'll be choosing the first option. And now you have to check your phone and you have to tap on S. And after tapping on that, you can click on update password if you want to change your password. But if you don't want to change your password, then you can simply click on continue. And that's it. That's how you recover your Gmail account. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.